Hello everyone, Jeremy Sanford here, keynote speaker, business growth consultant, and I'm here to give you a few moments of motivation. I want to talk to you about the expenses, the hidden expenses that are killing your profit. So you're making money, but at the end of the day, it seems like there's never enough. It's almost as if your profit is disappearing into thin air. Well, the truth is, it's not about how much money you make, it's about how much you're losing. I think that we can all agree that we work too hard, especially to be at the end of the day and still be broke. You're working hard, but somehow your profit margins just continue to shrink. Your business is leaking money, and the worst part is you don't even know where the leak is coming from. And there you are in a cycle. You understand that if you don't fix the problem, you'll be constantly working hard and never really being able to get to financial freedom. However, I want to give you 3 tips on how you can fix this problem. What I want you to do is I want you to audit everything that is a waste of your money that you're not really using, such as subscriptions and softwares that are constantly draining your profit and they're not even in use. I also want you to cut unnecessary office space, travel, and payroll inefficiencies. Number 2, I want you to negotiate like your life depends on it. The truth is you're overpaying vendors, processing fees, and so many other things that can be cut and are wasting a lot of your money. Number 3, I want you to track every dollar with ruthless discipline. You can't fix what you don't track. The most profitable businesses don't just make money, they protect it. If you've been working too hard, your business should be making you rich. You should not be working so hard and not have any profit at the end of the day. And so if that is you, you want to fix the problem, drop a thumbs up in the chat section and we'll connect and we'll help you to get to the bottom of these hidden leaks that are killing your profit. Again, this is Jeremy Sanford, your personal growth consultant, keynote speaker, and we will see you in the next one.